Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivatmika Chavali. If you are very new to this channel, I usually make content related to education, book summary and personal life. If you find my content interesting, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This will increase my confidence and also it helps me to do more videos consistently. Okay, today I'm gonna share you the platforms like LeetCode, CodeChef, and Geeks for Geeks. This video is going to helpful for the people who are in the bachelors and who are going to the bachelors. I mean, who are about to join to the bachelors. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video and see which platform is best for coding. Okay, LeetCode. LeetCode is a very famous online coding platform. This is amazing platform. Like if you want to start the coding means you can try it. You can do the problems from here. But you should need some very good amount of knowledge to solve the problems that are present in the lead code. See, in lead code, even easy problems are sometimes complex. These easy problems are not even easy sometimes if you don't have any kind of basic knowledge in data structures and algorithms, or else in major syntax of your programming language. See, if you want to start coding means you should learn one programming language, either it could be a Python or Java or any other language, C or C++. You should be very master in that language. Here, master in the sense not like an advanced level, but you should know what is meant by the classes, what is meant by object oriented programming language, everything you should be good in your programming language. I mean, good in the sense you should know at least some amount of basic level in that language. Then only you can solve the problems that are present in the lead code. See, lead code usually many big tech companies like man companies, Meta, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, every big companies uh, conducts interviews in, and they ask major interview level problems from this lead code, guys. So please make sure to solve lead code problems, whether it is hard or medium or easy. Of course, if you are in a beginner level, it would be very difficult to solve hard level problems because they are super hard. So I would suggest you to go for the easy level problems and then go for medium. See here, if you expand the topics, you can see the topics major. See, array, strings, hash table, and you can see the numbers, how many problems are count are there. So array related problems are 2133 and string related problems are 864, in this way. So you can go topic wise in this lead code and you can start. And you know what? Lead code every Sunday morning or else, and sometimes Saturday evening. You can see here Sunday morning and Saturday in our IST Indian time. Every Saturday and Sunday they will conduct competition, virtual competition, and you can participate in the competition and you can do very well those problems. So lead code is really very helpful for you, but I can say for starting it would be very tough for you to solve the lead code problems. But for to crack major companies means definitely lead code is a go-to platform. And the next one, CodeChef. CodeChef is really very good platform for the beginners. I would suggest to go for CodeChef. And when you are in the starting stage, see here, if you don't know about the programming language, the basics, the syntax, you don't know means you can solve it here. You can learn from here in this CodeChef platform. See here, practice Java, practice C, practice Python, practice C++, practice JavaScript. See how well they structure these languages, guys. It's really very good. And the next one, projects. See the projects, beginner level projects, Java projects, C++, and when machine learning projects, full stack projects. And coming to the beginner DSA, practice strings, practice arrays. See, if you are really very basic, I mean basic in the sense, if you are very beginner means you can freely choose this one safely. CodeChef platform and data structures, linked list. When you are very good, and you can switch to the lead code. That's the step I want to tell you guys. First, go through with this CodeChef, and then go through with this lead code. If you are a beginner, if you know everything means you can solve lead code directly, and no issues in that. Coming to the Geeks for Geeks, Geeks for Geeks is really uh, like our best friend, like CSC students best friend website, Geeks for Geeks. If you want theory means you can go for Geeks for Geeks. Every day we can see the problem of the day, and even lead code has the problem of the day. See, let's see the today's problem. uh, Today's problem is maximum amount of money robot can earn. So daily question will be there in lead code and Geeks for Geeks. Geeks for Geeks is also good for beginner levels. So you can go for either CodeChef or Geeks for Geeks. But CodeChef means everything is in organized way. See, if you don't know the programming language itself means you can learn from here, and then you can switch to either Geeks for Geeks or Lead Code. So you can see here in the Geeks for Geeks, topics are organized in this way for data structures topics and the algorithm topics, and others you can see it here. And if you select anything means and clicking on apply filters, you can see the apply filters, and difficulty level you can choose it from here in this way. And you can also see companies, uh, you can also see the interview questions, I mean coding questions that were given in the companies. So you can select it from anything, and you can apply the filters, and you can get the questions here. In this way you can solve the Geeks for Geeks problems. Mostly Geeks for Geeks problems and the lead code problems are similar, but some kind of difference will be there. So I would prefer, first, if you are beginner means go for CodeChef, and if you are good, I mean good in the sense, after that go for Geeks for Geeks, practice Geeks for Geeks problems, and then lead code. You can also practice simultaneously, not an issue. So that's it. This is my advice. Okay. So please start learning. In It's really very important, guys. Please solve, and happy coding, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very helpful, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you.